Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going ahead to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, you can see this is a brand new unit. It's NSF sanitation approved chromed stainless steel units, the shelvings for heavy duty use. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit's entire length about like a 59 inches long. And 18 inches deep. And overall height is about like a 71 inches tall. Our units coming with a 1, 2, 3, 4 shelvings on each of those, and we can handling about like a 400 pounds for this chrome stainless shelvings. If you need additional space at your garage or storage, or even in your kitchen rooms, and they can help you to get the extra space for catalog your stuff. So this is all information about my products. And if you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.